day to all. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to show you how to prepare coconut rice. I know that no one will hate this coconut rice. Everyone will like this variety rice. Let's start with the preparation. So I have taken this much amount of coconut. This is a half coconut, and then coriander leaf, curry leaf, and then 2 green chilli. And then for preparation I am going to use gingerly oil, and then this is roasted groundnut, and then small amount of dal, and then required amount of salt. That's all the ingredients. If you prepare with gingerly oil, the taste will really be very nice. Please use gingerly oil, that is I am recommending. Okay, in the hot pan I am adding some gingerly oil. Wait until the oil got heated. Now put the dal first, then put the curry leaf, and then put the green chilli. I have taken green chilli. Today I am going to prepare for 2 persons, so I have used 2 green chilli. If you want more spiciness, you can increase it to 3 to 4. It is a very quick recipe and the taste will be really very nice. And then add the coconut to it and roast it for some 2 to 3 minutes. That's enough. Until you get the coconut smell, you can roast it well. Add the required amount of salt. This salt you can add for the rice also. Like for 2 person, how much rice you are using, based on that amount of rice you can add the salt here itself. After 2 to 3 minutes, you can add the roasted groundnut to it. So this will enhance the taste of the coconut rice. If you want, you can add cashew nut also. That will be also really very nice. Roast it for another 2 minutes. That's all. The mixture content is ready now. Next we will go with the rice. I am going to cook the rice in the vessel like this, and then I am going to drain the water. Okay, this will give a special taste. Instead of using rice using a cooker, I am going to cook it using a vessel. This rice will definitely enhance the taste for the coconut rice. I am draining the water now. After all the water got drained, I am going to transfer the rice to the one big plate like this. We need to wait until the rice become to its room temperature. Currently it is very hot. So wait until the rice become to its room temperature. Then we can mix it with the coconut content. See, the rice got cooled now. Now I am going to mix the rice with this coconut content. Add a rice little by little and then mix it well. If you require, you can add some oil at this stage also. Taste the salt also. If it is less, you can add at this stage. Here you can keep the gas very low. Okay. You keep the gas in medium flame and then stir the content very well. And allow those to for some 2 minutes in the gas, not more than that. Finish your preparation by garnishing it with the coriander leaf. That's all. Tasty, delicious, juicy coconut rice is ready now. This will be exactly a taste of temple coconut rice. Please try this dish at your home. Thank you friends. Thanks for your time. Please subscribe my channel if you like this video. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Take care friends.